Good day, ma'am. So, my topic is about general principle of deduction from gross income. So, these are the rules used to determine if a business expense can be deducted from income before computing the tax. The, the four principles are loan principle, matching principle, related party rule, and withholding rule. So, loan principle. First is the loan principle. Loan means legitimate, ordinary, actual, and necessary. Legitimate, the expenses must be legal and valid. Ordinary, common, or normal in the business. And actual, the expense was rarely paid or incurred. So necessary is important for the operation of the business. So if an expense does not meet these requirements, it cannot be deducted from gross income. So next is matching principle. This rule states that only business expenses related to earning taxable income can be deducted, meaning the expense should match the income generated by the business. So next is example of non-deductible expenses. These are example of expenses that cannot be deducted under the matching principle. So number one is expense related to exempt income. Second is expenses on income under special tax rules. Third is business expense of taxpayer subject to final income tax. Four is expenses connected to income subject to final tax or capital gains tax. Five is foreign business expense if the taxpayer is taxed only on the Philippines income. So last is losses not yet recognized in gross income. So these expenses are not allowed because they are not directly connected to taxable income. So next is related party rule. Related party rule states that again between related parties are taxable but losses are not deductible. So this means if family members or related companies transact with each other and in profit, their profit is taxable. However, if there is a loss, it cannot be claimed as a deduction to avoid manipulation of taxes. Next is withholding rule. Withholding rules is simply says no withholding, no deduction. This means if business is required to withhold tax but failed to do so, the expense cannot be claimed as a deduction. Business must first comply with withholding tax requirements before they can deduct the expense from gross income. So next is general expanded withholding tax rates. There are some common expanded withholding tax or EWT rates used in business transaction. First is 1% payments to suppliers of goods, embalmers of funeral parlors. 2% payments to suppliers of services, 5% payments for rentals of properties, and 10% payments to professional brokers, agents, and entertainers. So 1% or 2% payments of credit card companies, and 0% naman is payments to general professional partnership. So these withholding taxes are deducted before payment and remitted to the BIR as part of tax compliance. So, maura po tong topic, ma'am. Thank you.